Hello student, welcome you all. Welcome you in ICR AIEEA UG examination discussion. In this discussion or talk, we are going to talk about analysis of previous year question, especially the last year, which was the new pattern, and then we will discuss about strategy making and then identification of correct source for biology. In this discussion, we will focus on the biology. Let's start. As per the new pattern of ICR NTA examination, let's take some sample MCQ, multiple choice question. In this first set of sample MCQ analysis, we are going to take the some sample question, we will analyze them and bring some kind of conclusion. Let's start. New pattern of ICR examination, that is a NTA ICR pattern. ICR was conducting this examination before 2019. In 2019, the specialized body of exam testing, that is NTA, National Testing Agency, which is under Ministry of Education. Since 2019, ICR and NTA, they are conducting examination. So some changes has been seen. Question, number of question, there are total 150 multiple choice question, 150 multiple choice question from the each section, and questions are now since 2020 especially statement based multiple choice question. This is unique in the new pattern. This is a unique feature of ICR NTA new pattern. What is a statement based multiple choice question? Statement based multiple choice question were earlier used to asked in bigger examination like IS prelim examination, state PCS examination, but now these are the part of different academic entrance examination also. So what is statement based MCQ? Statement based MCQ are the question in which 4 or 5 statements are provided. First, we require to check whether the statement is correct or not correct, and based on the correct and not correct, we have to choose option those are correct or incorrect. That is provided in the question. Now the question which is statement based are generally very lengthy to read and it takes time. So usually there is a mindset among the student that student avoid such question because it's look very lengthy. They like to attempt the short question, but the short questions are short in nature but very difficult, while the statement based MCQ are look like lengthy but it's quite easier. Statements are quite easier. How to handle them? This to solve a statement based MCQ, it requires thorough reading of fixed and most reliable books line by line. One more thing, MCQ from new pattern of ICR NTA. Let us take some sample question. First, the question is, this is from the ICR NTA examination 2020. The question was, the salient features of genetic code are: A, the codon is triplet, 51 codon for amino acid and 3 codons do not code for any amino acid. They function as a stop codon. So this is a if statement. We have to identify this if statement is very much accurate or not. Once we identify this is a very much accurate, we will understand okay, it is a accurate, correct. Now second statement is a the codon is read in mRNA in contiguous fashion and no punctuation. And third statement is a UAA, UAG, UGA are stop terminator codon. Third is D, some codes are universal, and E, AUG has dual function. It codes for phenylalanine and it also act as terminate the process. So there are 5 statements A, B, C, D, E. We have to identify out of these 5 how many are correct and then the choose correct answer from option given. A, B, C, D, E, out of these 5, which are the correct? So answer is A, B, C are correct. A, B, C are correct. How it is correct? That is not a part. Basically in this discussion, in this talk, we are trying to identify the analysis and source, not a explanation. Let us see what is the source. This question are the salient feature of genetic codes are there and 5 statements are there. Let us see there are the source and explanation. There is a NCERT book of biology, NCERT published book for biology class 12. There is a section related to genetic code. This section there is a screenshot I put here. Now you see the first statement. The codon is triplet, 51 codon per amino acid and 3 codon do not code for any amino acid. You will see this is directly from this NCERT book. No any statement change. You can see here. Second line is the codon is read in mRNA. You will see the third point of salient feature of genetic code. So exactly line are the same, no change. So it is also correct. This is also correct. A and B is correct. Third point is a UAA, UAG, UGR stop terminator for codon. So you see that this is the again correct. Exactly the same sentence are given in this salient feature. And then D, some codes are universal. So you can see the code is nearly universal. Here you will see the some codes are universal, but here in the statement the code is nearly universally. Means almost all codes are universal in nature. So this statement is wrong. Now the E, AUG has a dual function. It codes for phenyl and it also acts as terminate the process. Let us see. This is the here, but here there is a something. It codes for methionine, not phenylalanine. It means this is the wrong and this is the wrong. Only A, B, C is correct. Answer is B, A, B, C is correct. You understood how the question is, but one more thing you have to observe. In this section D statement, some codes are universal, while if statement is giving almost all codes are universal. So if statement is small variation. Here AUG has a dual function. Incorrect. Exactly, AUG has a dual function. It codes for phenylalanine, but here it says it codes for methionine. That is, so small one word has been changed. Methionine has been changed or replaced from the phenylalanine. So small variation will be put you in the side out of selection. So you have to read a perfect source but very thorough line by line reading, word by word reading. Let us take the second question. The second question is select correct combination of metaphase characteristics. This is the question from the cell division. Cell division is important topic. Let us see the first statement is in the metaphase condensation of chromosome is complete. First statement. Second is a chromosome are moved to spindle equator. Third is a daughter chromosome begin their migration towards the opposite pole. Fourth is a spindle fiber attached to kinetochore. E. Chromosome moves away from the equatorial plate. These are the 5 statements. Choose the correct statement above these 5 statements. So answer is A, B and D is the correct. A. Condensation of chromosome is complete. B. Chromosome are moved to spindle equator. And D. Spindle fiber attached to the kinetochore. We are not going to explain how this is. We are going to discuss or talk about the source. Let us see again. This is the question. The select correct combination of metaphase characteristics. 5 statements are there. Let us see. There is a screenshot from the topic cell division and cell cycle from 11 biology of NCERT publication. You see the first statement condensation of chromosome is complete. This is exactly in the statement in the NCERT condensation of chromosome is complete. So from here you can identify second statement chromosome are moved to spindle equator. You see in the second this part, this is again second screenshot, chromosomes are moved to spindle equator. So this is from that. And then another, this is the spindle fiber attached to the kinetochore. You see here in this second screenshot spindle fiber attached to the kinetochore of the chromosome. So all 3 correct statements can be seen in the metaphase section. Let us talk some other. In anaphase section there is a statement, the last statement, chromosome moves away from the equatorial plate. Chromosome moves away from equatorial plate. So you see here it is line by line. And then D, spindle, again this is the anaphase topic or anaphase feature. This is the daughter chromosome begin their migration towards the opposite pole. Exactly lines are there. So through thorough and smart reading of NCERT book, so far you can solve this statement based question. You need not to read the other book. This will be good for you. So but only things are you need to thorough reading line by line, word by word. Let us see the conclusion. Statement based MCQ in the NTA and ICAR 2020 examination was very unique. There were 12 questions of statement based out of total 50 MCQ of biology. And this 12 number is very large, big part, almost it is a 25% of the biology section. What is the strategy to solve them? First is a fast reading understanding capacity. You require during your coaching or training, you have to develop a capacity of fast reading and fast understanding. By training, by proper guidance, this capacity can be developed in a student. If the student don't have a fast reading and understanding capacity, it is difficult to tackle the lengthy question, statement based question. Second strategy is a line by line statement reading and mug up. We require, rather than reading so many books, you read very limited books, but line by line, word by word, reading is very much important. Revision 7 times, 8 times will help to tackle the question properly without doing a small mistake, because one word change, complete statement change. So you have to read the content very thoroughly. Third is a read correct source only. Reading full book, the big book, quality book doesn't matter. The things which matter is a very reliable as per the NCRT, as per the NTA question setter. NTA question setter take NCRT as a most reliable content book. So read NCRT book biology, that is the best idea. One more thing you have to understand, we have typed the book of NCRT and we convert the complex language of NCRT book, and we did not delete so much thing. We created a smart notes, we deleted the wasteful content, and we are trying to put the complete statement. We are doing here that nothing was deleted wastefully, because every word is very important. So by this strategy we have developed a content for biology section, and I believe this will be the most useful content or reading source of this biology based NTA ICR examination. You can see at www.agrimly.in the syllabus for ICR AIEEE UG examination. You can find syllabus look like this. You can go to the www.agrimly.in and you can download. At www.agrimly.in you will also see the ICR AIEEE UG exam weightage of every unit or topic for biology. At www.agrimly.in you see the general guidelines to prepare biology for ICR AIEEE UG exam. www.agricoachingdelhi.com, here you see the ICR UG and you will see about UG exam, coaching classes, online class, notes and books, general guidelines, ICR, weightage of units, syllabus for ICR UG. So everything you will see. If you want to attend the class, we are going to hold a class for ICR AIEEE UG examination. The batch changes, so you can call us and you can take the update. ICR UG examination, so details are here, contact number is here, you can contact and you can inquire about the class. You can practice the 5 years of question paper by clicking here, or there is, I will provide the link in the video below in the description box. Practice the last 5 years of question paper in the chapter wise mode. Practice the chapter wise test for ICR AIEEE UG examination for biology by clicking the link provided to you. Thank you very much. So this is about the question analysis. I will make one more video on another analysis related to this. This was the first set of statement based question. I will discuss now a matching based question analysis, their proportion and strategy to tackle those matching based question. How to solve or tackle the matching based question, which has been a big part of a ICR AIEEE examination. Thank you very much.